All right, this problem is going to look at some related application problems, just one actually, with some inequalities. So there is a chemistry example given here where we know that the volume for a certain gas is given by V equals 20T, where V is in cubic centimeters and T is in temperature in Celsius. As you heat up a gas, it expands, it takes up more space. And as it cools down, it takes up less space. So we know the temperature of this certain space that this gas is in is going to vary between 80 and 120 degrees Celsius, and we want to find the volume values. Well, the first thing is, if I know that temperature varies between these two, I might want to set up an inequality for temperature to be 80. And I'm going to say less than or equals to here. It doesn't say that it doesn't equal those. I mean, I don't think in this situation you're really going to need to know whether it's equal to or not. Maybe it would indicate that better. I'm not really going to worry about that right now. All right, so that means I need to solve this equation for T to figure out what the variance would be here, or variability would be for the volume. So I'm going to just divide that by 20 on both sides and get this here. All right, so since I have a compound inequality, I can set this up as two different inequalities. And then multiply by 20 on both sides. So this is going to have a lower bound of 1600, and it looks like an upper bound of 2400. And so then I can just put those together in my compound inequality like so.